Breakfast this morning is an egg over easy with turmeric pepper, toast with cinnamon, a little bit of sugar. I pre-mix it so I don't put too much sugar in it, and bacon. Alright, I am working in the museum today, and you see these chairs? There's 4 of them. I've got these 2 upside down. But we sit in these and talk with people and stuff like that. Well, the bottom of them, let me turn you around so I can show you what's going on. So this one's actually, well, see, they're coming untied down there. This one, look at this one. It's all messed up. So I have a small little leather kit. And this isn't as thick, I don't think, but I'm gonna give it a whirl anyway. It'll last probably a few years more, but I'm gonna I got a needle, big needle, to poke through these holes here. And anyway, I'm gonna see if I can't weave this chair, repair this chair some. Well, all of them need it, but I'm gonna start with this one because it's the worst. And I'm gonna use this chair to look to see how, because it's kind of difficult to see which piece goes to which hole. That's what I'm gonna do for the next hour or so. Okay. I am finished with this. That's what that looks like. That didn't look too bad. I left the string on this one. The old string, I should have just pulled it out, but why redo it when it's... Let me flip you around this way. And that's what that looks like. Well, that sounds like a train coming. That's just the wind. It's crazy wind here. Not too bad. Yeah, see, this one is a lot of old string. That was my first one, and then I got better as I went. Some of them are far apart, but anyway. And let's see, what else was I looking at on this chair? Yeah, see, these nails are coming out. Need to put those in, hammer this in a little bit. Yeah. Might even wrap that. But anyway, these chairs are getting some TLC. Yeah, and there's a place. This all needs to be put back on. So this is my little project for a while, because I'm going to do all 4 chairs if I don't run out of string. But waxed rope. Well, it's not rope, but whatever it is. Let's put it up and see what it looks like. All right. It looks pretty good. Look at that. And then look at that one. See, that one needs help too. Well, all of them do. They're all gonna get a makeover. They're cool chairs though. Cool chairs. All right, now I'm done with that part today. Let's see, I need to attach that back somehow with some little, I don't know what. Oh, they're just nails. Bring some nails in and a little hammer. Do a little repair. All right, that's much better. Because they get rickety too, see that? Rickety. Not rickety. Cool. Good morning, little bunny. You see the bunny out there? He says, I'm eating. Good morning. What do you smell, Sammy? I know Bonnie Bunny was out here, but we're up before the sun's over the mountains. That's up and out. It's chilly morning. Come on. So there's my lights. Somebody asked me about my light. So it's still dark enough out here that it caught motion of Sammy and it comes on, and I put it underneath the front of the van where the engine is. Anyway, brr! It's temperatures are starting to change. It's not shorts weather anymore. I think the high today is 80, but gosh, I had to put on pants. I got a long sleeve shirt on. Yep. Temperatures are changing. Whew. Brr. All right, I'll show you the lights under the truck. Little trash can. Oh, don't trip and fall. There's the other one. So this one's in front of my truck, and I usually I took one from the van and put under here, so there's the other one. That's the one I always forget to remove, and then I end up backing up over it. But when I come around this way to get in the truck, I usually see it. I just didn't see it. Oh. Brr. It's gonna be a good morning to cook. Sammy. Have some bananas that are about to go bad, so guess what I'm gonna make? Banana bread. Whew. Yeah, there's my bananas. I'm gonna cook this and some spinach and mushrooms. And Sammy says, are you cooking for me today? Not today. That'll be in the morning. All right. Brr. All right, I changed my mind. I decided I'm going to have a smoothie instead. I'm going to... Hi, Sammy. I'm going to cut these other ones up. I'm going to cut these other ones up and put them in the freezer because I'm going to use some spinach. Got some portobello mushroom caps. I'm going to cook one like a steak, and then I'm going to cut up the other one and cook mushrooms and spinach. But I'm going to use a little bit of the spinach for my smoothie this morning. So, change of plans. All right. Got some olive oil. All right. Well, I got a weird thing with the sun happening here. I have my portobello cap in here. I'll tell you about that here in a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to add my mushrooms, and then I'll let those cook for a little bit, and then I will add the spinach. Added the spinach. This is what I'm going to use in my smoothie. Oops. Using my smoothie, and that'll be done. Alright. Doesn't take long. I added some salt and some garlic powder. I need to add some pepper. There it is. I'm going to put a little splash of lemon on it. Alright. That'll go with my dinner tonight, or will be dinner tonight. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to fix with it. Okay, back to this mushroom. Whew. Let me flip it over. So I was cooking it, and I had the lid on there, and it was a lot bigger, but all this filled up with water. Water and oil and fire don't mix. Really good. So I thought the best to do would be to just turn it off, because I had to let that water slowly turn it over, I guess, because then I cooked it a little bit more. But I think I'm going to cook it. Yeah, I think I'm going to cook it a little bit more. And then I'm going to cook it this way. Then I think I have a piece of provolone cheese that I'm going to put on it, and it may become a burger later. Maybe I'll have, no, I don't want mushroom. So, we'll see. We'll see. It's probably going to be a burger, though, is what I'm thinking. A portobello mushroom burger. All right, I think it's done. I changed my mind. I have one piece of cheese left, so I'm going to put this Colby Jack on there. Sammy says, "Here I come. What you doing? Cooking with cheese?" She says, "Yeah, can I have a bite?" No. I need to use that up. Let go. Alright. Alright, here is my pre-smoothie. Let's see, yogurt, Greek yogurt, banana, blueberry, spinach, protein powder, ice, water. Let's spin it. There's a burger. Yeah. There's a bunny. You see it? You see it, Sammy? Oh, she says no, not yet. Oh, there he is. There he is.